today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. We're back inside our Titanoboa favorites project module. So we're going to do some light reading, and then I'm going to show you some things in the contract. So we can add this line of code right under the favorites contract, that deploy line of code. Once we have added this line of code, we can run our script again using the following command. We say uv run deploy favorites pi ebm.py. This will run our script and print the type object that the favorites contract or variable is. If everything is working correctly, we should see that the type of object is a contract object. It will look something like this: class boa.contract.abi.abi contract ABI contract, like I showed you when we actually went inside the terminal. I'm going to show you again today. So yeah, this means that we have successfully loaded our contract into the favorites contract variable, and we can now interact with it using the Boa package. So just like we use the type hints with Python, we can use type hints with the Boa package to specify the type of object that we're working with. We can modify our favorites contract variable to include a type hint like this. We will say favorites contract boa.contracts.abi contract equals boa.load favorites.vi. This will tell Python that the favorites contract variable is an instance of the ABI contract class in the boa.contracts ABI contract module. We will leave both versions of the favorites contract variable in our code, the one with the type hint and the one without, so that we can see the difference between the two. We just comment out the one without the type hint. So basically what we're doing is we're still loading our favorites contract variable. We're just loading it as the contract version inside of our boa.load. So I'm going to show you what it looks like actually inside the contract over here. So if you take a look over here, you can see we have our favorites contract. It was boa.load, favorites.vi. This is how we initially loaded our actual favorites.vi contract or file. And then we have this one over here that I have commented out. You can see this is the actual instance of it, letting us know that it is an ABI contract, and we're using this version to load the favorites.vi. Both of them are exactly the same. As you can see, I ran it here. First time I ran it, I had this one commented out. This is the information we got back. The second time I ran it was this one here. I left both of them uncommented, and you can see here it ran correctly. And this third one here is the version you see here. I have this one commented out, and everything ran correctly. Now the only difference that I noticed is the first and last time are identical, but when I left both of them uncommented out, it actually changed the address for some reason on this one here, this middle one. This is when I had both of them uncommented out and ran the contract. For some reason, it changed the address. But when I had the one or the other actually commented out, you can see here we have this D97C for the last digits there, and then we have the D97C for the last digits here. So one or the other, we come back identical, but when we leave both of them uncommented out, it actually changes the address up. I'm not sure exactly why, but yeah, it's interchangeable. Everything still works the same. It's just how we load our information into the boa.load, and yeah, so that's where we are with that. So we're gonna keep moving forward, and I will keep you posted every step of the way. But for now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.